Imagine stepping into a warm, humid haven filled with the vibrant green of thriving plants, even as frost blankets the world outside. This is the magic of a greenhouse, a haven for gardeners who refuse to let winter dictate their harvest. Greenhouses extend the growing season, allowing you to cultivate your favorite vegetables, herbs, and flowers year-round. No longer do you need to mourn the passing of summer's bounty. With a greenhouse, fresh, homegrown produce can be a constant on your table. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own juicy tomatoes in December, or snipping fresh basil for your pasta sauce in February. But the benefits extend beyond just fresh food. A greenhouse offers a sanctuary, a place to connect with nature and escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. The warmth of the sun, the scent of the earth, and the satisfaction of nurturing life bring a sense of peace and accomplishment. So, why wait? Let's embark on this journey to create your own backyard oasis, a testament to the power of year-round gardening. Before we delve into the construction process, let's gather our tools and materials. Building a simple, effective greenhouse doesn't require a trip to a specialty store. Many of the materials can be found at your local lumberyard or even repurposed from around your home. For the frame, you will need pressure-treated lumber, 4x4s for the main supports, 2x4s for the framing, screws or nails, galvanized for durability, a hammer or drill, measuring tape, and a level. For the covering, which acts as the transparent skin of your greenhouse, you have several options. Polyethylene sheeting, an affordable and readily available option, greenhouse-grade plastic, more durable and long-lasting than polyethylene, and glass panels, which offer the best clarity and light transmission but are more expensive. Additionally, you'll need a saw to cut the lumber to size, a staple gun to secure the covering, and some basic gardening tools to prepare the interior. Now that we have our materials assembled, let's start building. The first step is to decide on the size and location of your greenhouse. A south-facing location is ideal, as it maximizes sunlight exposure. Once you've chosen your spot, it's time to construct the frame. Begin by building a rectangular base using the 4x4 lumber. Make sure the base is level to ensure stability. Next, erect the vertical supports at the corners and along the sides of the base, securing them with screws or nails. Add horizontal supports along the top to create the roof structure. Now comes the exciting part, attaching the covering. Carefully drape your chosen material over the frame, making sure it's taut and secure. Use a staple gun to fix the covering to the frame, ensuring there are no gaps or loose edges. Congratulations, you've built the structure of your greenhouse. Now, let's move on to making it suitable for year-round gardening. Section 4. Winter's chill, summer's heat. Maintaining your greenhouse year-round. A greenhouse acts as a microclimate, offering your plants a controlled environment. However, this environment needs to be carefully managed to ensure optimal growing conditions throughout the year. Ventilation is crucial, especially during the warmer months. Install vents or windows that can be opened and closed to regulate temperature and humidity. Consider adding a fan for air circulation on particularly hot days. During the winter, insulation becomes paramount. Line the interior walls with bubble wrap or use thick curtains to trap heat during the colder nights. A small heater can also be used to maintain a consistent temperature. Watering needs will vary depending on the season and the plants you're growing. Invest in a watering can with a fine rose for gentle watering, and consider installing a drip irrigation system for optimal efficiency. Section 5. A garden of plenty. Enjoying the fruits and vegetables of your labor. With your greenhouse built and maintained, you're ready to embark on the rewarding journey of year-round gardening. Start by preparing the interior with nutrient-rich soil, and select plants that thrive in a greenhouse environment. Tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, and herbs are all excellent choices for beginners. Experiment with different varieties and explore the world of exotic fruits and vegetables that can now grace your table. Remember, gardening is a journey of learning and discovery. Observe your plants closely, adjust your techniques as needed, and don't be afraid to experiment. With a little patience and care, your greenhouse will soon be a bountiful oasis, providing you with fresh, homegrown produce and a sanctuary for your green thumb all year round.